Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or a seasoned professional, the best drawing tablet is the device that will bring your creative visions to life. Drawing tablets are useful tools for a range of creatives, from photographers retouching and editing images to animators and digital artists. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best drawing tablets of the year. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro XPPen is one of industry giant Wacom's biggest competitors, offering more affordable tablets that still pack a punch for performance and design quality. The XPPen Artist Pro Pen display is lightweight and customizable thanks to its 8 programmable buttons, which allow you to map out your most used functions. There's also a red dual control dial that allows you to pan, scroll, rotate, zoom, and change the brush size. This tablet has a bright, fully laminated HD display with 1920x1080 resolution and is available in a range of other sizes, from a petite 11.6-inch to a massive 21.5-inch display. Soon, XPPen will be launching a 23.8-inch model too. The bigger screens are a little too heavy perhaps, and smaller screens offer less room in which to play. But the Artist 15.6 Pro is a particularly good size for artists on the go. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro comes with the XPPen Stylus, which, thanks to its newly developed X3 smart chip, delivers great performance, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and up to 60-degree tilt. However, it isn't quite as strong as the Wacom Pro Pen 2 in terms of tilt response and how it feels with which to draw. It also comes with a separate tablet stand, which is a little flimsy, a drawing glove, and a handy, sturdy pen holder. At its list price, the Artist Pro series delivers great value given the quality on offer, but better still are the regular discount and sale prices you'll see throughout the year. While the Artist Pro offers the best quality and features you can get at this price point, it feels a little cheaply made and delivers a slightly inferior stylus and drawing experience, and so is just edged out by the Cintiq's sleek hardware, stylus, and drawing experience. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro. The Wacom Intuos Pro is the go-to device for most professional illustrators, thanks to its fantastic virtually lag-free pen tracking, tilt and pressure sensitivity, 8,192 levels, and great surface on which to draw. Plus, Wacom sells a variety of alternative texture sheets, if you want a smoother or rougher overlay. The Intuos Pro is slim but sturdy, making it easy to confidently carry around, and it comes with a variety of ports for easy connection. Those who like a tidy workspace will be pleased to learn that the Intuos Pro also supports a wireless Bluetooth connection. However, some customers have found this connectivity to be sluggish at times. Customer reviews hail the Intuos Pro for its incredible precision and drawing experience. And while this does drive up the price tag, it still offers good value for money. The tablet comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, but is compatible with other Wacom styluses as well. There's also a paper edition, which allows artists to clip their paper drawings atop the Intuos Pro and convert their physical drawings to digital ones. A boon for illustrators everywhere. Number 3. iPad Air 5th Gen. It's no iPad Pro, but the iPad Air is a very respectable choice for digital creatives, and, coming in at a much lower price, it's a great option for hobbyists. It still runs on the M1 chip, making it super powerful and smooth when using creative apps, and its 2360x1640 IPS LCD screen offers decent brightness and fluidity. Like the Pro, it's portable, and offers greater flexibility than conventional graphics tablets. You can use it for work and play, as well as creative work, which is the reason it's a great choice for newer artists and hobbyists. Drawing experience on the iPad Air remains excellent, largely thanks to its compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2, which is sold separately. iPadOS is compatible with a huge range of creative apps, meaning you'll be spoiled for choice compared to traditional graphics tablets. Number 2. iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Without a shadow of a doubt, the iPad Pro is the best general use tablet for drawing, and the most recent 12.9-inch M1 model is a real treat for artists, delivering plenty of power, a brilliant display, and wonderful canvas size. Plus, it's ultra-portable, which is more than can be said for its competition. As mentioned earlier, all graphics tablets and most pen displays need to be plugged into external devices. While the iPad Air, at number 3 in our Best Drawing Tablets guide, is lightweight and more affordable, the iPad Pro takes the lead with its brighter Mini LED, Liquid Retina XDR 12.9-inch screen. You can, of course, opt for the slightly smaller 11-inch iPad Pro model, but the display on that model isn't quite as impressive. Images refresh twice as fast as on many other tablets thanks to the iPad Pro's 120Hz refresh rate, meaning you have at your fingertips super fast, super responsive drawing potential. Add to this the impressive pressure sensitivity of the Apple Pencil 2, which must be bought separately, and the iPad Pro becomes a serious contender. The only thing missing is a tactile screen finish for that real pen-to-paper feel, but you can remedy this by investing in a paper-textured screen protector. Housing the M1 chip, the iPad Pro is easily the most powerful tablet for drawing and editing images. In addition, iPadOS is compatible with a whole host of creative apps, so you're much less limited than on other tablets. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. Wacom is a big name in digital art, and it's easy to see why. Delivering superior pressure sensitivity, great value, and artist-first features, it's only in recent years that rivals have offered much competition. The Wacom Cintiq is a pen display tablet and Wacom's answer to contest general use tablets such as the iPad. It's a fully realized drawing tablet with plenty of space to create, and we think it's the best all-round option for value, size, design, and features. Given its size, performance, and HD resolution, it's priced pretty competitively. And while other tablets and laptops may offer slightly more in the graphics department, the larger screen lends itself to detailed work and a smoother user experience. The 22-inch panel gives artists plenty of room in which to play, but even the smaller 15.6-inch panel far exceeds the size and quality of many other tablets on this list. The tablet features folding legs, which feel solid and secure in use and clip away neatly into the rear of the device. Or you can also attach a third-party tablet stand. The Cintiq is fantastic for all artists, from hobbyists to professionals, and despite its pretty approachable price tag, offers a really impressive drawing experience. The Slate has an incredibly high LPI resolution of 5080, and when paired with the wonderful Wacom Pro Pen 2, which has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is widely considered to be the best stylus available, the Slate is about as good as it gets for precision. One of our only gripes is that it doesn't have shortcut buttons, but you can always buy the Wacom Express Key remote separately. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. It's free. Let us know in the comments down below which best drawing tablet you're going to choose. If you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.